case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1964 case of In re Carletti in the United States Court of Customs and Patent Appeals focused on the principle that a design must be aesthetically pleasing, not just functional, to receive a patent. The patent application for a gasket was rejected by the Patent Office because the added features were seen as functional rather than ornamental. The appellant argued that the design, meant for use in a closure assembly for gasoline drums, was unique and not solely based on functional considerations. The majority opinion of the Board of Appeals disagreed with the rejection based on two prior art references, as they found no realistic disclosure of a similar washer or gasket with grooves or ribs. However, the court ultimately held that the added features, such as concentric annular ribs and a recessed groove, were functional and not ornamental enough to make the design patentable. This supported the Board of Appeals' decision that adding functional elements to an old design typically does not warrant a patent, and the gasket design patent claim was granted.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.